Give me window seat.
That is not quite right. The correct way, could I have a window seat, please? Today, Maya is checking in for her flight and making common English mistakes at the airport. Welcome to Mr. Fix My English. Maya is at the airport check-in counter for the very first time. She's going to make 5 mistakes. Let us fix every single one of them right now. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello. I want to do check-in, please.
Stop. Maya said, I want to do check-in. Check-in is a verb, not a thing you do. The natural way to say it, I am here to check in. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
I am here to check in.
Good. Now listen to how it sounds in real life. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I am here to check in, please.
Of course, passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Any bag to check in today?
Yes, I am having one bag to check in, one carry-on bag.
Stop. Maya said, I am having one bag. Have is not an action. You cannot do having. We say, I have one bag to check in. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
I have one bag to check in.
Good. In real life, any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one bag to check in.
Pop it on the scale, please.
Sure.
Do you have a seat preference?
Yes, I want window side seat.
Stop. 2 things wrong there. First, window side is not natural English. We say window seat, just 2 words. Second, instead of I want, say could I have? It is more polite. The correct sentence, could I have a window seat, please? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Could I have a window seat, please?
Good. In real life, do you have a seat preference?
Could I have a window seat, please?
Absolutely. Row 14 confirmed.
Thank you so much.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you. And from where I will get the boarding pass?
Stop. Maya already has her boarding pass, but let us fix the question she just asked. She said, from where I will get the boarding pass. In English, we never start a question with from where like this. The natural way, where will I collect my boarding pass? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Where will I collect my boarding pass?
Good. In real life,
Where will I collect my boarding pass?
I will print it for you right now.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Is there anything else?
Yes, what is the last time for boarding?
Stop. Last mistake. Maya said, what is the last time for boarding? Last time for boarding is not natural English. We say, what time does boarding close? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
What time does boarding close?
Good. In real life,
What time does boarding close?
boarding closes at 3:15. Please be at the gate by 3.
Got it. Thank you so much.
All 5 mistakes fixed. Now, let us hear the whole conversation correctly from the beginning. Say it with Maya as we go. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I am here to check in, please. I have one bag to check in and one carry-on bag.
Perfect. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have a seat preference?
Could I have a window seat, please?
Absolutely. Row 14. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you. And what time does boarding close?
Boarding closes at 3:15. Have a great flight.
Thank you so much.
That is confident natural airport English. Now say this line with Maya. 5 seconds.
Could I have a window seat, please?
Before the quiz, your homework. Go to the comments and write one sentence you would say at an airport check-in counter. For example, I am here to check in, please. I read every comment and fix every mistake.
Go and write now. Then come back for the quiz.
Quiz time. I say wrong. You say correct before Maya answers. 5 seconds each. 5 questions. Ready? 1. I want to do check-in. Maya?
I am here to check in.
Correct. 1 point. 2. I'm having one bag to check. Maya?
I have one bag to check in.
Correct. I have, not I am having. 1 point. 3. I want window side seat. Maya?
Could I have a window seat, please?
Correct. Window seat. And could I have, not I want. 1 point. 4. From where I will get the boarding pass. Maya?
Where will I collect my boarding pass?
Correct. Never start with from where. 1 point. 5. What is the last time for boarding? Maya?
What time does boarding close?
Correct. Clean and natural. 1 point. Count your fingers now. 5 out of 5. You are ready. Book that flight. 3 or 4. Really good. Watch one more time this week. 1 or 2. Watch again from the beginning. 0. Come back tomorrow. You will surprise yourself. Now, I promise you a bonus phrase. You stayed until the end. Here it is. Your bonus phrase. Is there anything else I need to know before I go through security? You say this right at the end of check-in. It sounds confident and prepared, and most English learners never think to say it. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Is there anything else I need to know before I go through security?
Good. In real life.
Is there anything else I need to know before I go through security?
Just head through to the security checkpoint on your left. Have a great flight.
Thank you so much.
If this video helped you, please subscribe. Next episode, Maya goes through security. She does not know what to take off, and her bag causes a very big problem.
I am fully ready for security. I am having everything ready only.
I am having everything ready. We will fix that next time. Do not forget your comment below. Every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen. See you next episode.
See you next time. Bye.